Let's see how we can connect to MongoDB database from within Cursor itself and how we can administer the database. So the first thing is you need to open one extension. You can open your navigation panel by pressing Ctrl+B and you will see something like this. Okay, you might be here and you'll want to click on this four boxes icon to open your extensions. Now search for MongoDB and in the marketplace you will see MongoDB for VS Code as the first option. Make sure it is from MongoDB itself. This is the creator and just click on install. Once the installation is complete, you can close this. Click on this arrow icon in this navigation panel. Here you will see MongoDB after you've installed it. Now you can click on this pin icon, pin MongoDB. Now just click on MongoDB and you will see these options: add connection, create new playground. Now to connect into a MongoDB server, just click on add connection and you will have two options: connect with connection string or advanced connection settings. Now if your database administrator has provided you a connection string, it is much simpler. So you can just click on connect here and paste your connection string here. All the details like server host, username and password are in the connection string. And this is my local database. I've not set any username or password. That's why there is no username or password here. In your case, you might have username and password. Okay. Once you've added here, just click on enter and the connection will be built. Immediately after connecting, you will see the server name here. You will see the databases here. You can go inside your database, see different collections here. You can click on this, see schemas and so on. Right click on a collection and click on view documents to see the documents inside a specific collection. You can do that with all the available collections. In my users, I only have one piece of data here and so on. So this is how you can connect to MongoDB server using connection strings. Now, what if you want to connect to the MongoDB server using a form? If your admin has provided you a URL, username and password. In that case, just click on add here and instead of connection string, click on advanced connection settings and click on open form. Here, enter your URL of MongoDB server and then click on advanced connection options. Here, click on authentication and enter your username and your password here and just click on save and connect. Once it is done, you will be connected to your MongoDB server and then browse your collections just as I've shown you. So this is how you can connect to MongoDB server from within Cursor AI. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.